Hi everyone, Julia here from the Curly Girl Creates. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beehive. Now this particular beehive, I used a styrofoam egg. I cut it in half. But this egg is $3.99 and I use it, the whole egg, for a lot of projects. So I thought that was a waste. I was in Dollar Tree and I found a football that I cut in half. You are going to want to put a piece of felt on the bottom because you'll see after you cut it in half, those little things get all over the place. It makes a mess, so cover it. You only use one half. You will also need the decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree and a small piece of black felt. You lay out your rope. You want to glue the first piece on. And then you're going to just work around it. And every once in a while, put a little shot of glue to keep the rope in place. Just keep going around. I also made a video on how to make the bees if you're so inclined. The beehives are very popular. If you're in the craft stores, you'll see a lot of beehives shown. And it's so easy to make your own, especially with the Dollar Tree items. It's really not that expensive. So like I said, I made a video of the bees. I also made a video on how I did the, how I applied the rhinestones on the hat, if you check out my YouTube channel. that you get at Dollar Tree is really good quality rope. This is different than the one I used on the project here. That was wired twine that I had bought. It was very expensive, and to tell you the truth, I think I like this rope much better. Okay, now toward the end, you're going to twirl it around. Just keep twirling it around. And then cut it at the top. And just stick that in there. Okay. Now you want to make the hole, so you're going to make a circle about that big. Yeah, I like it about that big. Just put a dab of glue. And to make it look like a deep hole, you want to go around a couple of times. With this thick rope, you only need to go around twice. I went around a few times. Okay. Like that. Okay, and you're going to cut it. Okay. Then you're going to take your black felt and you're going to glue it to the black felt. And then just cut off the excess. Oh. Okay, and you're going to glue it onto the hive. Like that. And there you have your beehive. So simple. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.